Remy Tallow, a transgender adult, advocates for transgender youth procedures and says it's something they need.
I think trans youth are hurting right now and begging to be heard. They're being attacked in our nation's Capitol building, our state's Capitol building, their churches, their schools, their libraries, their sports fields, their doctor's offices, their bathrooms, and some of them even their own homes. I just want these kids to know people are fighting for them in all these places, and some of us are willing to die for them.
District 22 State Representative Gabe Ferment says the Louisiana Senate reactivated Stop Harming Kids Act to prevent doctors and therapists from performing irreversible transgender procedures on minors without parental consent.
This bill doesn't say anything about sexual orientation or gender. All this bill does, again, is makes it illegal to do experimental sex change procedures on children, whether that's things like puberty blockers or cross-sex hormones or any sort of surgical procedure would be prohibited if this bill becomes law.
According to the Human Rights Campaign, 44% of trans youth live in states where they have lost access to gender-affirming care due to changes in law.
If we want to lower the number of gender-affirming surgeries, we have to allow these families to work with their healthcare professionals to ensure they have the best care we can provide.
Ferment says the bill will protect children from surgery until the age of 18.
I think the most sacred duty a legislator has is protecting innocent children, and that is simply what House Bill 648 does. No one in Louisiana has the right to harm a child.
Tallow fears if lawmakers override the governor's veto, trans youth will leave Louisiana.
Luckily, I have supportive parents and, one supportive parent, and we have enough money to leave if that became the case. Unfortunately, these kids, not all of them have the money to leave. So I'm just trying to do whatever I can to help them, the ones that can't help themselves.
Overriding the veto would require 2/3 of both chambers, 70 votes in the House and 26 votes in the Senate. Keisha Swafford, ABC 31 News, that works for you.